Hello, today we are going to replace all of the filters in our Premier Series reverse osmosis system. To begin, you'll need to gather a few tools and supplies. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a clean cloth. Once you have these items, we'll move to step 1. Turn off the undersink water line. Once you confirm the water line is turned off, we'll turn on the RO faucet to release the pressure and remaining water in the line. Turn off the water once completely drained. Next, we're going to remove the Flowlock tray by removing the locking clip and detaching the outlet tubing from the leak detector. While you're there, let's go ahead and remove the screws on the base and filters as well, if you have any. Moving on to step 4, we'll remove the dust cover. All you have to do is lightly lift the dust cover and set it aside. Step 5. Then we'll twist off the sediment filter, rotating it from left to right. Use the cloth to wipe away any excess water. Next, we'll rotate the pre-carbon filter from left to right. Before we get to the remaining filters, let's remove the black drain line from the flow restrictor. Use your flathead screwdriver to remove the locking clip and detach the drain line tube. The membrane filter is ready to be removed. Simply twist and rotate left to right until it's released. Step 9. Unscrew the membrane drain elbow. At the bottom of the membrane filter, twist the elbow a few times to release and set aside. Last but not least, we'll twist off the post-carbon filter. It's now time to replace the filters with new ones. Start with the Pre-Sediment filter, twisting right to left to lock. Then the pre-carbon filter, again twisting from right to left. We'll then screw the drain elbow to the new membrane filter. Turn the drain elbow clockwise and hand tighten to secure the filter. Replace the membrane filter and we'll reconnect the black drain line onto the flow restrictor. Reconnect the tubing and attach the clipping to lock it in. Next, we'll replace the post-carbon filter. This can also apply to an alkaline filter, if you have one. Reinstall the dust cover by placing it over the system until it locks into place. We'll then reattach the Flowlock tray. Make sure you fully insert the outlet tubing into the leak detector and attach the locking clip. Turn on the undersink water line and look around your system to see there aren't any leaks. Look around your system to see there aren't any leaks. Fill the RO tank. Wait for the storage tank to fill, then we'll turn on the faucet to drain the tank. Run until it becomes a slow stream of water or starts to trickle. Turn off the RO faucet to let the storage tank replenish. Wait another hour to allow the tank to fill a second time. Turn on the RO faucet again, drain the storage tank, and the system is officially ready for regular use. Our US-based customer support team will be happy to help you if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching. Comment below if there are other videos you want to see from us.